Hey, what's up guys, it's Laura and welcome to my series of my apartment renovation. So today I am starting with my living room and I'm going to be putting together the sofa and showing you guys the process and also just showing you guys some befores of the living room and just wait to see the afters. So something really cool about this sofa is that it tells you exactly how to put it together on the outside box. So this says, I'm the corner back, open the other corner box first. This says, I am a seat, open the arms first. I'm the ottoman, open the arms first. I'm a seat, open the arms first. So I'm just gonna open up the arms first. This one is we are the arms, open us first. So that is where I'm starting. Okay, let's get started. I'm gonna start with the arms. So this booklet also shows exactly how to put it together, which is super convenient because I am definitely a girl that needs instructions on how to put her furniture together. So it says step 1, empty the boxes and align the seat. Make sure the toggle latches lay flat on the floor and legs are under the seat. So you guys will see the assembly process is fairly easy. The only thing I will say is to make sure that you have a good system for cutting down the boxes and bringing them to your recycling bin. If I was a kid, this would literally be my dream. Like, look how massive these boxes are. You could literally build a house. What I have right here is a seat and we're gonna see how it all goes together. So here I'm putting the toggles to attach the seats together as well as adding the legs. The legs come out of the zipper underneath the sofa, which I thought was really creative way to minimize the amount of shipping space that is needed. But it was really easy. It doesn't require any power tools, screws, or anything. Here's the sofa all put together. And as you can see from my before, it makes a crazy difference and it looks so beautiful in my home.